Well guys, good morning. We got a new addition coming to the farm. We've got to unload this box right here because another 36-inch John Deere Montezuma box is going to go right there. I should have never bought this one because it spoiled me. Went to Tennessee Tractor yesterday morning, had no intentions of buying one. We bought one. The good folks at Tennessee Tractor took care of us. They done us right on it, so we appreciate them. A lot of people run down there, dealers and stuff, but I think we got a pretty good dealership at Trenton, all around. I mean, nobody's perfect, but for the most part, they take really good care of us, and that's a lot of the reason we run John Deere. It's just good service. Another chilly morning, we got the heat running, so y'all just gonna have to bear through that. Big frost this morning, but it's warming up pretty quick. This is the box that we keep our ratcheting wrenches in and some special tools, but we're liable to, I think we're gonna kind of change it up a little bit. "36-inch store smart box for sale." Oh, that looks weird. So let's do a little unboxing this morning. If I can find my knife. They put a new blade in it. We got her mounted on there. Got it bolted down to the bed of the truck. Y'all see this little bolt right here? We had to drill a hole to let it come up through the box so that the box will sit down flush on the bed. That bolt right there holds our air real long. But I guess you could call this a product review video. The John Deere / Montezuma 36-inch triangle box. I'm gonna say it's pretty good because we bought a second one. So if you're looking for a product review, I'd say that's all you need to know. Now let's figure out how we're gonna rearrange the tools again. It seems like our service truck is always a work in progress. We're always changing something on it better suited to like our needs. Well, here's the finished product. Two of them sitting up there side by side. In this box, we got our metric and standard wrenches down here in the bottom, vice grips, ratchets, pull bars. As you can tell, this is the one we've been working out of for a while, so it's dirty. Pipe wrenches, channel locks, punches. In this little section, we got our hammers and our pliers, nut drivers, ratchets, extensions, standard metric sockets, paint pan, O-ring picks. A lot of this stuff y'all have already seen before if you've been with our channel for a while. But we moved all our screwdrivers over here, and well, they was already in that other box, but they're a lot better organized now. It's where our power tools is going to live. Over here in this box underneath, we're keeping a lot of our special tools. Some rags, shop rags. Here's some of my special tools that you don't use often, but have been modified for projects over the years, which we used that on the 2-speed. Took a chop saw to that one. See, a grinder's been a hold to that one. But that's just little special tools we've modified over the years to work on certain things. Air hammers, impact wrench, torque wrenches. Here is our impact sockets and gear wrenches, as well as impact adapters. We haven't got this one quite as full as that one, but give it time. I'm sure we'll fill it up with something. Let's take a look and see what it looks like. You can definitely tell the new one from the older one that's been rolled down the road. Has rolled down the road quite a bit. So 36-inch John Deere toolbox. Give them a thumbs up. Maybe two thumbs up since we got two of them.